This is Math with Mr. Sneed, and in this video we'll be solving linear systems by substitution. We'll be determining the number of solutions. Example 2. Graph each system of equations and tell how many solutions it has. Then solve algebraically by the substitution method. So since this first equation is in slope-intercept form, we want to first find its x and y intercepts. So to get the x-intercept, our y is going to be equal to 0. So we have 2x is equal to 12. And we're then going to go ahead and divide both sides by 2, and we find that x is equal to 6. So we write this as 6, 0. Then we're going to find the y-intercept. Same idea, but x is equal to 0 this time. So we have 4y equals 12. And so then we divide by 4 to get y by itself, and we find y is equal to 3. And so this is at the point 0, 3. We're going to go ahead and plot those on our graph here. So our first point was at 6, 0, so on the x-axis at 6. The second point is on the y-axis at 3. And then we want to draw a line connecting it. And again, you want to make sure that you're drawing a straight line. It's really important because we want to find the exact intersection of the 2 points, of the 2 lines, to find the solution. Now the second equation is in slope-intercept form because y is by itself. So with this one we need the y-intercept, which is 6, and we need the slope, which is -1/2. So we start on the y-axis at 6, y-axis at 6, and the slope of -1/2 means that we go down 1 and over 2. So from 6 we're going down 1 and to the right 2. Down 1 to the right 2, and now we can draw our line. And what you should notice is that they are parallel lines. Which means that we're going to have no solutions. Because if 2 lines are parallel, that means they never intersect. And our goal is to find where things intersect. Now we're still going to solve this algebraically, and so we're going to use substitution. And so since we already have y equals, we're going to rewrite the first equation. We have 2x plus 4, and instead of y we're going to put parentheses and finish writing that equation. And then inside the parentheses we're going to write down the equation from the second, or the expression from the second equation. -1/2 x plus 6. And so I'm going to bring down my 2x. I'm going to distribute the 4. So half of 4, or -half of 4, is -2x. And then 4 times 6 is 24. And that equals 12. And when we combine our like terms, they cancel out. So we have 24 equals 12, which is not really equal, so that's where we get no solution. And our 2 results are the same. So graphically, no solution is two parallel lines. Algebraically, no solution is when the variables cancel and what's left over is not equal to each other. And with that, our second example is done.